Today, I'm going to tell you a story called The Lion and the Mouse. Are you ready? If you are ready, let's start. Once upon a time, in a cool and peaceful jungle, far, far away, there was a lion sleeping under a tree peacefully. Then he felt that something was moving on him. What's that? When he woke up, he saw a careless mouse stepping on his back. La 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 la. When the mouse saw the lion, he said,